hot outside, so stay hydrated. Stay cooled down. I'm gonna build me a bathroom right there. First, I got to move all those blocks. They're in the way. I'm gonna need some of those blocks to support the frame. Yeah, I put a tank right there about a year ago. I want to start using it. Yeah, don't forget to stay hydrated. All right, now we can mark off where we're going to put all the block piers. All right, we'll come back later, put some stakes in the ground, run some string, get it squared up. It's not going to be big, just a tub and a toilet and a sink. Y'all want to see some kittens? Y'all keep them animals hydrated. Gretel found the water. My daily routine. Check on everything. Check the cameras. Can get the clothes out the dryer that I put in there the night before. I wash the load every day. And yeah, I mix colors. Just don't have enough for one load if I didn't mix the colors. You know? All right, I'm sweaty and nasty. I'll get this dog a bath and get me a bath. See y'all later. Man, it's so awesome. I don't know what I'd do without all this kudzu. I love it. When you go hunting, it just kind of hugs you, embraces you. Yeah, and if I fall, it'll catch me. Sometimes I just want to jump in it and act like I'm swimming around. Look, I've got a wall now. Who needs a fence when you have kudzu? Where's Gretel? Gretel, go find me some goats, bud. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. I wish every day was kudzu day. I wish all year was kudzu season.